In today's video, we are going to learn about Peroxisome, and the subtopic that we are going to cover in our lesson is introduction, explanation, function, and then there is a quiz for you guys in the end. So, Peroxisome. Peroxisome is basically an organelle, right? So, D. Deuve and co-worker in 1965, they isolated particles from the liver cell, which were enriched with some oxidative enzymes such as um, such as peroxidase, catalase, glycolic acid oxidase and some other enzyme. So उनकी वजह से जो एक आइसोलेट पार्टिकल हुआ वो उसको नाम इन्होंने दे दिया peroxisome, right? So because this organelle it is specifically involved in the formation and decomposition of hydrogen peroxide in the cell. Formation and decomposition of hydrogen peroxide in the cell, right? ये basically budded होते हैं from the Golgi apparatus. So as you can see here in this picture, right, this one is the peroxisome. ठीक है, और अगर आपको नज़र आ रहा हो तो ये गोल्जी apparatus से budded होते हैं, right? This is a more inner structure जहाँ पे ये लिपिड बाइलेयर है, ये प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन है, ये क्रिस्टलाइन कोर है और ये ऑक्सीडेशन हो रही है एंड फॉर्मेशन हो रही है ऑफ हाइड्रोजन पेरोक्साइड. उसके बाद they are called as peroxisome because they are the site for the degradation and for the decomposition of hydrogen peroxide inside the cell. राइट, उसकी वजह से हमने इन्हें नाम दिया पेरोक्सिसोम्स का. A highly reactive and a toxic oxidizing agent is basically H2O2 or the hydrogen peroxide. So these are the single membrane bounded organelle that are in that are enclosed in the cytoplasmic reticulum inside the cytoplasm. So they are characterized by containing the hydrogen peroxide H2O2 producing oxidases and catalases. Producing oxidases and catalases. They are approximately zero point 0.5 mu meter in diameter. Very small, right? They have also been found in some protozoa, in yeast, and in many cell types of the higher plant. They are basically spherical in shape. Right? So this is something about peroxisome. अगर हम इसकी कुछ similarities देखें lysosomes के साथ तो they are very very similar to the lysosomes. Why? Because they are being filled with enzymes, some same that is with the lysosome thing, right? So there are some differences between the peroxisome and the lysosomes. Like the peroxisome it contain the oxidase enzyme, whereas the lysosomes they contain the hydrolase enzyme. देन जो हमारे पास प्रोक्सीसोम्स हैं ये ओरिजिनेट होते हैं एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम से, लेकिन जो लाइसोसोम्स हैं वो गोल्जी अपरेटस से आ रहे होते हैं. सो दिस इज सम ऑफ द मेजर डिफरेंसेस बिटवीन द लाइसोसोम्स एंड द प्रोक्सीसोम्स. देन कुछ फंक्शंस होते हैं प्रोक्सीसोम्स के, लाइक दे आर participating in the synthesis of bile acid and liver cells, right? Then they participate in the synthesis of cholesterol and in the synthesis of lipids that is basically used to make myelin. Myelin sheath, you must be aware of that. So these are some of the function of peroxisomes वो synthesis of bile acid में role play कर रहे हैं. They are playing their role in the synthesis of cholesterol and in the synthesis of lipids that will be used to make myelin in neurons, right? So now there is the quiz time. So the first MCQs that we got for today is that peroxisomes are budded from Golgi apparatus, ribosomes or cell wall. As we have learned that peroxisomes are budded from Golgi apparatus. So here Golgi apparatus is the correct answer. The second MCQ that we got for today is that lysosomes also release enzymes for what? Options are extracellular digestion, ribosomes, or cell wall. We know that lysosomes always release enzyme for the extracellular digestion. So here the extracellular digestion is the correct answer. So this concludes our today's lesson. If you guys got any queries, ask them below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching.